Hey everybody, welcome back to Durbin's Bourbon. I'm Joe.
I'm Josh.
This particular episode is a cocktail episode. We're going to do a little bit of a series of cocktails. This particular one is the Old Fashioned. It's an oldie but a goodie. The comparison is a product that's out on the market. It's produced by Knob Creek. It is an Old Fashioned recipe, a bottle. It's Old Fashioned in a bottle. Let's just sum it up and make it simple. All in one. You don't have to add nothing. Pour it. However, we also did the regular Old Fashioned handmade, and I didn't do any new frilly stuff. I like to pour extras in my Old Fashions, like Luxardo cherry juice gives it another splash of depth of color and a little bit of flavor. I didn't do anything different. I pretty much followed an old recipe that follows this one, actually. So in it is your bourbon or your rye. We're using bourbon. This is Knob Creek, so I use Knob Creek for ours. Orange bitters, Angostura bitters, and your simple syrup. Nothing more other than an orange zest with the peel tossed in the glass and a healthy amount of ice.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
So the outside one is this one, the Knob Creek pre-made, and then that's the one Joe made on the inside. So
yep, a little and difference in color. You could tell from the start they were. The handmade one is dark in color. The store-made one is light in color.
I can tell you right off the bat, I like the one you made smell-wise better. It's got more bitters.
Yeah, there's more
complexity to it.
Yeah.
The other one smells good though. It smells really orangey.
Yeah.
I don't know if we put too much because of the peel. I don't know.
We zested that.
Did you say you put you did Angostura and orange bitters, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm interested.
All right, I'm gonna give a try to the
Knob Creek one.
Cheers. Cheers, everybody.
Pre-made. Cheers.
Pre-made. That's not bad. The orange is there. I think with the orange in the recipe and maybe doing the orange zest on it might have put a little bit more orange character to it. But it's not bad.
No?
And this is $15 for that teeny little bottle.
Kind of pricey.
Pretty pricey. You can make your own whole lot cheaper because the Angosturas and all the bitters will last forever. And you can make your own simple syrup.
$25-$30.
Right. So
try this guy. Oh, cheers.
Cheers. Cheers, everybody.
Oh, man, that's way better.
It's definitely more rich.
Way better. But I could see if you didn't know any better or if you didn't want to make your own, that's not a bad way to go.
No.
It tastes like an old fashioned, but it's kind of like, when you go to a bar and they muddle everything in the bottom and I don't know, it's not a good, they don't take the care to make a good old fashioned. Right. That's kind of what that's like. It's still good. Yeah. Still tastes okay, but not compared to this one. That's money. I don't know if I like it better without all that. I don't know. The cherries and all that. That's
it's pretty simple.
That's a nice, simple drink.
Yeah.
Huh. Interesting.
Yeah, boy, there's definitely more character on the handmade cocktail.
It's almost like you could taste it was made in a lab or something.
Yeah.
Not saying they did. I mean, I don't know how they make it, but it just doesn't have the... It's like anything, though. Anything fresh made, I think, is going to be typically better. God, that thing's $13, that little bottle.
35% alcohol. Yeah, it was... I think it was...
But I guess if it was a fifth, if it was 25, 26...
How big is
That'd be about right.
This is 375 milliliters.
So two of those would be a fifth.
Right, so
13, 26, so it'd be like $30 for I mean, I guess that's about right.
For a bottle of old-fashioned mix that
you could just pour on ice. And then you could doctor it up as well. If you want a little more bitters in there, a little more sugar. So
you could.
It's a good product, I think, but I would rather make my own.
Yeah. It's hard to beat a homemade cocktail. Price-wise, you're way ahead of the game because your bitters, you're like $12 to $13 for a
like
bottle.
Walmart and stuff.
Yeah,
Now.
and then $12, $13 for that. They will last literally a long time in your bar. This is probably my second bottle of Angosturas, and I make a lot of cocktails over the years, so they definitely last forever. And your simple syrup is just a 1-to-1 ratio. Half a cup of sugar, half a cup of water, nuke the water, and then mix it. You're good to go. So, I mean, the ingredients are really inexpensive for the long term. So, price point, it's a great product. Prices, it is what it is.
If you're looking for a quick way to have, if you're going to have people over and stuff, quick way to make some cocktails.
And you don't have the mixing glasses and the Hawthorne strainers and all of the other stuff.
It'll definitely work.
Yeah, it's not a bad way to go. A little bit of informative information for y'all out there drinking and making cocktails.
Informative information.
Correct.
Double whammy.
Yep. And we've got some more recipes coming your way. We're going to be exploring the whiskey sour coming up here.
With the sour mix.
Yeah, the stuff that made me hate whiskey sours when I was younger because it was made with this and not fresh ingredients. So guess what? We're going to do a comparison.
Yeah.
Fresh handmade. And this.
It's going to be wonderful.
Coming at you. I think that about wraps this one up. I'm going to go with the
good one.
I'm going to go with the commercial one. We hope you've enjoyed this video and it's given you some information and some things to ponder when you're sipping on your drinks. We hope you enjoy our show. Please hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. Give some cocktails down or comments down at the bottom.
Or cocktails.
You want to send us cocktails? We'll drink them. We're growing and we're having fun. We're still having fun doing this. As always, we hope you enjoy your whiskeys and bourbons.
Any way you like.
Cheers, everybody. Cheers, buddy.
Cheers, and your cocktail.
Yeah.
Man, you just can't beat homemade.
You just can't.